mwana chumulgilia nerituko oriakane ryo mutinye komino mo mwaka w'Imarangabere ne 5 kwa karangambya mono soko cyarabatengere geteseni kyao kyabene again Soko TV umarago naende tokumana asamangana maiya esentirere yo bwenye chinsa ikomigorigoro komanye bunane tobateka korwa se chingongo ao letira nenche igongoro kwa Daniel umwaga Umuyigereria amaya chinsa ikomilo toke chakorose county area ya Nyamira asobo sabani gobono kwa ruwe gochi ase serikali nene kwene kyanga nkoro totere emechando eraro ase emroberioria OCDE abwatani ibechi semi korwe chiskuru charoyo ase bakwana esomoyega oyo mabuko bekere gutwa aborokiwa bwa PP2 imibeti igyasironga nigo obabeire gosigo batebuna amatemwari akegise amorekepse abakobaga koera nigo arenga yebirengo obigoro gochia sabaro kibwa nigo kerekyo abasabira abagori korenda abana babo ekarokie ruseye entambe.
Siku ya leo tarehe 4 mwezi wa 11 tunafika hapa Sironga uwanja ambao tuko tayari kwa sababu ya sherehe za graduation mahafali wetu wa PP2 mwaka huu 2025. Ningependa kusema ya kwamba kama shule tuliweza kupanga tarehe hii kwa sababu tulijua mtihani ama assessment ya KJSEA na KIPSEA zingetamatika hapo jana tarehe 3. Ndiposa tukaona siku ya leo tuweza kutanika hapa tuweza kumaliza shughuli hii ya wanafunzi wetu. Jambo ambalo ningeweza kuongea juu ya mtihani huu ambao uliweza kumalizika hapo jana ni kwamba wanafunzi wetu walijikakamua zaidi kuweza kufanya mtihani huu kwa njia ambayo ni nzuri na wakamaliza kwa wakati. Jambo ambalo ningependa kusema kwa serikali yetu ni kwamba wanafunzi hawa mtaala huu ni mpya kwa KJSEA na CBE kwa ujumla. Wanafunzi wa grade 9 kwa kiwango fulani niliona ya kwamba mtihani wao kulikuwa na 1-2 kunungunika haswa katika magazeti yetu na hata mitandao ya jamii ambapo watu wengi waliongea juu ya mtihani ambao ulikuwa zaidi ama juu ya uwezo wa wanafunzi hawa. Jambo ambalo ningependa kusema ni kwamba katika mtaala wote ambao ni mpya kunakuwa na changamoto zake, lakini serikali wakikaa chini inaweza pia kurekebishwa sehemu ambayo wanajua vizuri hali yake si nzuri kwa ajili ya wanafunzi. Na jambo lingine ambalo ningependa kusema ni kwamba hata wakati 844 ilipoweza kuanza mwaka 1984 kulikuwa na changamoto zake. Lakini serikali ilichukua muda kuweza kuangalia areas wakafanya what we call review. Review ilipofanywa kuna sehemu ambazo zilitolewa, zingine zikaendelezwa. Kwa hivyo tunajua hata katika mtaala huu kuna sehemu ambazo zitaondolewa na kuna zile ambazo zitaendelezwa kwa sababu zina umahiri na pia umuhimu katika maisha ya wanafunzi wetu.
Sasa tungewahimiza kwamba wanafunzi wanapokuja nyumbani muwalinde kwa njia ya ukweli na natumai watalindwa vizuri na waebushe na mambo mengi maana wameelewa kila kitu. Kwa hivyo tuwalinde vizuri wanafunzi wetu.
Kulingana matema grade 6 na grade 9 ayo ayere tegoro ya grade 9 na ya daire wikiri aita kumbia era ketona sawa bali tolenda bana bakiagera na grade 9 na bakora kana bamira bana bane abali tegere bachiba ende grade kubwati grade 10 tuto prepare bia bakora matemo abarenda matemo esemere mende yarenge emekongo ya kaba standard bora gara bakora grade 10 serikali iri kirikira arusi kirikira almente ase amasomo amo
Bos kamoto mwancho morgereria ama tuko atatoka koregete seni igen Soko TV komurekera asoboime ama no babare igoro oyoko bora ko marundi pigipigi yemo kurwa segeta seni kyomoringamo aseria ta Vincent Nyandwaro nigobono omwancho morgereria oyo mogati yori otengere tegete seni igen Soko TV agatoro boti igoro yo gotoka akuo mongwano oyo asana korenda no nigo epigipigi yaye tabeta ko bakigotoka ekero obotuki ibwacha kiwe erio kumanya ase pigipigi yere sentera ayabene
omorigereria yo mobwe TV ya Soko TV na barigereti agake simi gochase family yo gochase nambe ya family abo asa to manyetinga oyo bare no muroyu no ara se kenyoro kiabo kikyarenge kenyoro kya Nyansongo Nyansaki 1 abo tuachie tororo e weekend tokanyora muroyu omana no are nyomba bwa stu atebetigu akunywe chai Waigona batu amubegete chingayo tukamoreta mpaka se umuringa bodaboda stage abwa sawa chatigu tanyara goteba se pigipigi ere kiara nere twanyore tari ne kebungo gie pigipigi kurenda goteba nga epigipigi ini ganyarete koba akouru
osirete ntwamonyora ria itiborio ngiri nabo igo toko kera twachikomochi buya tukanyora tari gokwana omene boronge ngaye pigipigi eberete takirende fact ata ngere pipiga ure tunaba ibi taba maite aba murete takirende bone asengenju yayo ntwabwata korengana nerichiko tutatagete kuimukirichi kasa mokaito tukamuira police mate noare erinde bakwane n'abanyine ba namba iwana ne pigipigi yeto kyose na kibakora
bono ngokurira abantu baminto ba boda ndonse simule litanga nteturabe ku salama kuruga igasituko cyakira nekero gukora biashara manyani nguko buguri nande nsanga byo gukora security tige cyake naye ekeroro jingango cyuri go siba gendo kyago margoba paki pigipigi yago nyumba gende page korne starogoja nayora kobuli tukiri nayora akane transport mina na intuto gwakanwa
kiera asinye serikali ne rarore na kyakora erindo monye nanyore obwene bwaye igaba minto mwesi ngo batene ntu abatokore biashara ebiasomo obwo wanja tiatokore asenjirere yo bwene no yoko imuki manyango ko imuki no kimoko gamba no monto tamaeti beko yo mina ngake aiguna nasore ire gochia ekioko bora tu amanya sto ko ligochi igombi amona sengenju yayo abaminte ensoko TV mbiamo na semere mbiamo okora nande tigamo korba botambe nyasaba chinguru ne chisemi chigoro mono elinde moganda okora mireme ya sengenjere ngi yambiamo
na goskamotu mwancho mwegereria nigobona babwatani be kyama agya Jubilee korwa account ya Kisii ibabeire goseba ibaboririe bene kumubwatisia oyo kabeire omwasiri woborendi waime Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i bosio bochorio bonene bokuligia chikura chobora ibwensebo mwaka 2025 onaibere okwana korwa chiabisie chio gosomo yakero bo basubati abo obara babwatani be kyama kyo korwa chigwodi amane chibunge ao musubati Bemda Mora nigo araira abasubati wabo asaba bolire ko mwakera ekura Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Tumerudi kushukuru, tumeingia hapa kwa kushukuru former president wetu Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta kwa kupea mzee wetu kama deputy party leader. Hiyo ndio jambo kubwa sana, tumerudi kushukuru yeye na ndio sababu tukafika hapa leo kwa kusema asante. Mambo mengine sisi tumefika hapa kama wamama wa Kisii County Assembly, Kisii County tuungane sisi wote hapa. Niko na chair ready from every constituency and chair ready from every ward. We have 45 wards and wote wamekuwa represented hapa na chair ready from every constituency. Sina
kusema ni asante kwa watu wetu. Saidi tunaomba wakisii wetu, watu wenzetu ambao wako masinani pamoja na Kenya yote, tunawaomba waangalie sana katika mwenendo wa kura hizi, wapatie Fred Okengo Matiang'i awe rais wa 6 wa nchi hii.
Tunataka kupea mzee wetu Matiang'i, tushikane na yeye sababu yeye ndio tumeona mwelekeo inaelekea kwenda huko. Ama ni aje? Ndivyo. Ama ni aje? Ndivyo. Sasa tukuache tukae pamoja, tupendane, tushikane, tukae pamoja, tuende mwelekeo pamoja.
Na goskamotu mwancho mugereria nigo ekero umubaro bw'abantu bali abasiria magemabo kubatikana no gosombwa kweriroba ime yensemo ya Marakwet oikira abantu 32 nigo monogeri webungenane omosike Moses Masika wetangura arurekerero kiaye gokwana akorwa SS Kuru ya Megirio ya Kenya Forest Services ime ya Rondiani yo gotoke se county ya Kericho wetangura ubani ya serikali kobakonya bali ababwatanitibwe amono wosakonoyo asate birabuna ebikoro bune ebyo nigo bigocha kubwatekana anoko na chiwa kwemete asobonge.
Tumesikia mambo ya Marakwet. Tunawarai wa Kenya ambao wanaishi katika sehemu zenye aidha misitu imeharibika au zina uwezekano wa uporomoko wa udongo, wasaidiwe kwa huu msimu wa mvua nyingi kukaa kwa mahali ambayo iko salama. Leo nimeona kwa news kwamba kule Kapedo pia tumekuwa na landslides na watu wawili wamekufa kuongezea wale wamekufa Marakwet. We want to encourage that these landslides happen where trees have been destroyed or not planted at all. So Mama Deborah na wizara yako, map out all such high-risk areas and do a Marshall Plan to plant trees to enable the protection of our soils, especially where they are fragile in the face of heavy rain. Tumepoteza sasa watu wamefika 26 and we are still counting.
The areas of Elgeyo Marakwet and Trans Nzoia County, that is Chesongok and Namanjalala. And we want to send our sincere condolences to the people of this region. Tomorrow we'll be there for the support. But as a ministry, and also through KMD, that is Kenya Meteorological Department, we are sending routine alerts. And we'll be able to escalate this to ensure that there is public awareness, especially in the flood-prone areas. Equally, there is increased rainfall in the Lake Victoria region, the Rift Valley region, especially the west, the central, and the southern region. And so we want to call upon Kenyans to be extra cautious in these regions so that we can be able to move to areas that are safe. Let us avoid the riparian areas. And from tomorrow, we'll be working with the community, engaging them, and creating public awareness when it comes to the matters.
Na gotina na yubusuka mutu mwancho murigeria nigobono mubunge bwebunge yensemo ya Kiamba Omusike John Wanjiku Njuguna amochiri bororo oyo kabeire omokonyi gosaba cyo yobere omokonyi bwo morai bwenserga digashagwa na boigo oyo morai bwe kyamakere egya DCP asokonya komogosera ya Kerengaki okwana koroisiko ya magacha manne yebunge John Wanjiku oyo monyekaine mono obunaka Wanjiku nigo abekiretene nibuna nigo angete kumobwatesia gashagwa chinga kiarenge omokonyi bomorai bwense asemeroberia yaye yo koiba etugo ya mamangina oyore mamo mwaboyo kabeiro morai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta nsema ya notansi egentate buna na kyoke mogacheti gashagwa agoika akonya kwemrungania.
The former deputy president, you cannot force us to follow you. So the moment every time, now and then Kawanjiko, I don't know. Nini yako nilikura, my friend. Na kama niko na deni yote, even political debt, declare it, I'll be able to pay. And I told you in that message that I have paid my political debt. The moment you don't align, probably with my agenda, I'll have to make a decision as far as the people of Kiamba are concerned. So whatever you want to do, buzi nilikuletea, udiniitisha, I brought them buzi to you. You asked me for money, I brought them to you. It is even in my social media. So I don't understand the reason why now you need to keep bullying me and threatening me. And I remember there is a time that this issue started a long time ago. Even when you hear the stories of Buzi's Mama Ngina, because he's closer to my constituency. I remember him calling me here at Harambee House and asking me to deliver some people to help him in a mission that he wants to do. And I told him, politics is not personal. And I will not participate in that kind of politics. If you look at my social media accounts, if you look at my statements before, I told him that you want to bring people together. Uhuru is part and parcel of our community. So if you want to bring everybody on board, even Uhuru, give him the respect that he deserves. But I refuse to participate in that business of going to steal Mama Ngina's buzi. But even the people who are taking charge and taking care of his security, they are part of people who come from my constituency, because I have a good relationship with my people. I have good team that was working for him even when he became the deputy president. So Your Excellency, I will not sit down and watch you intimidate me. No amount of intimidation, because you're not the giver of life, and no amount of intimidation or coercion will make me follow you. But I will follow whoever I want, because I'm a sober leader. I've been elected by the people of Kiamba to make that decision when the right time comes.
Na gosika mutu mwancho murigeria nigobana omorai bwense Musike William Samoei Ruto nigo asingerere omorembe amona bomo kwenekibwa ime yensengima okwana korwa ime ya doa iyo gotoka ime yense ya Qatar ase musangerkana obwensengima bomo obwechinse nigo Ruto akeboririe kiombekeria kya UN go United Nations kweneke buna ngokora kere omochando wobotaka anene ime ya rugongoro rwa Afrika ejo koreto boikeranu ensengima musangerkano yo wa matukatato nigo ora ikomwe chitariki sano onemo eyora ramisi ye ikiye ime ya Qatar doa.
The consensus that once bound us together in Copenhagen is fraying. The world risks retreating into isolation at a time when cooperation should be a priority. Excellencies, as the UN at 80 initiative reforms process unfolds, the time will soon come for all of us to make critical choices about the mandates and structures of the United Nations. In doing so, we must resist the temptation to elevate one pillar of the UN at the expense of others. The United Nations was founded on a holistic vision of delivering global peace and security, human rights, and development. These are the three inseparable, indispensable pillars that together sustain global stability and human dignity. I have no doubt in my mind that while the UN must remain the foremost guardian of global peace, it must also be a catalyst for prosperity and a champion of human dignity everywhere and anywhere. The Doha Summit must therefore renew our shared resolve to act decisively, both as individual nations and as a united global community, to eradicate poverty, create decent work, and advance social inclusion as the surest path towards a world that is truly resilient, inclusive, peaceful, and sustainable.
Na tokana goikaimeye kaunti ya Nairobi ni gabasae balia barene libagali gija eliogo kini uchumi nese kiagara na bobato manyi boliboro bwego na boisaine okwana asomoyega abogo siolia ikambani ya tulivu co-working eyo egosira oboncholia imeyo mochio Nairobi omwaziri bwaba koye meremo imeye kaunti eyo Anastasia Nyalita nigo hase irali bagerio elio gwakera gose gwakere merobere ye kaunti eyo ebwate gochia sabasae nabo igogochia asabo onchirelia nonya nigo Nyalita anyakere koko emeroberi ye kaunti eyo ya Nairobi.
We are not just launching a co-working space, we are unveiling a new mindset. A Nairobi where creativity meets opportunity, where ideas are born and businesses thrive. Tulivu co-working space is exactly what this city needs, a modern hub where MSMEs, startups and creatives can connect, collaborate and create impact. From high-speed internet to smart boardrooms, podcast studios and world-class conference halls. This is innovation meeting infrastructure. Ladies and gentlemen, our governor's manifesto has been clear. Nairobi must work for business, and business must work for Nairobi. The governor's focus on empowering youth and entrepreneurs has opened new doors of opportunity. Through his leadership, we have witnessed policies, programs that support the growth of SMEs, encourage digital transformation, and invest in the creative sector. From art and design to film, music, and digital innovation. Tulivu is more than a workspace. It's a community of doers. It's where the next generation of Nairobi CEOs, designers, digital pioneers will shape the future of our city. To the team behind Tulivu, well done, congratulations, Hongera. You have turned vision into reality and added a new spark to Nairobi's business ecosystem. As we officially launch Tulivu co-working space, let us celebrate this as a victory for innovation, for enterprise, and for Nairobi's unstoppable spirit. Nairobi is open for business. Nairobi is open for creativity. Nairobi is open for the future. I thank you and congratulations once again, and also to reiterate that our doors are open as Nairobi City County Government. Asanteni sana and
Karocha butoke de camera ngebere igoro chinsa ikomi chi abona maragawo mwancho magiria abona ko yabutorera mangana maya esentira ero yo wenye konende to masego sukake gara ensayemo amane chinsa to chabutuko Frida Kiribongo kaitara mangana USA nchira rejo volkanu kuchakira chinsa 11 igoro Edu Nyang'au mwana mboka ngochare megaiga nomurubiro gwengoria marekori ni mongorie na kunyegeria marekama ogoika enseyemo oya maragoba njenkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga abarenge mega ayechi kamera amone menyoncho kuenekia hinga amariogi amone chuchangu kirare sentira erejo oboikanu Brian Achaka atolde amona Deborah Kerubo maragoba oromoto ereru